here from the MedTech Conference, and MedTech World has the pleasure to be with Monali. She is representing Syrma Johari MedTech. Thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you.
So let's start by putting in context our audience. What is your company doing in the MedTech space?
Yeah. So my company is called Syrma Johari MedTech Limited, and it's a legacy company, like 45-year-old, into contract design and manufacturing, exclusively for medical devices and in vitro diagnostic. So company has been collaborating and partnering with global medical device companies to be able to help them develop the product right from the concept development and to the regulatory approval. So our core strengths are into design, engineering, manufacturing, and regulatory approvals.
From prototype to actually making the device or the project scalable, right? What makes a medtech company navigate this smoothly?
Right. So I'll be honest. There are many challenges that one needs to navigate right from the prototype to scalable manufacturing. Most of the customers that come to us comes with a functional prototype which has been done at a design level. So when these prototypes has to move to manufacturing, or rather let me put like a scalable manufacturing, the design flaws appears. So primarily the challenge is to convert the design into manufacturability, and that is where a lot of products goes back into redesign. So what our company supports our customers in bringing the manufacturable design and see that these issues do not appear at a very later stage into manufacturing. So this is the primary challenge that we have to navigate when we get involved with our customers at a prototype stage.
Yeah, you had a background at Tata, and that definitely influenced the way that you drive strategy today. Explain me more about it.
Right. So my foundation of my career has started with a Tata Group of company. Tata being a brand, I had an advantage of learning lot of cross business synergies that I now bring it into my experience and contribute to my current company. So working with Tata has enabled strategic thinking in terms of what a scale would look like, what capabilities needs to be uh, uh, developed such that it becomes customer centric, it becomes more of outcome based, and more importantly the people of the company, like how you work in a cross functional collaboration team to be able to bring the desirable outcomes. So if I have to you know remember the primary learnings from the Tata, I think I have learned a lot on the regulatory pathways. I have had an opportunity to incubate the entire regulatory practice and been able to start from scratch and move to a scalable team size. So not only onto the technical side but also onto the commercial side of things.
And being able to understand the whole life cycle, what opportunities you see for medtech leaders to be able to balance growth and the regulatory part that can be a bit overwhelming as well?
Yeah, so there has been a constant tension when it comes to innovation and research and development versus the feasibility when it comes to regulatory pathways. So I would say that the medtech companies, while they are innovating, I think the primary focus should be to innovate for an unmet clinical need, so as to also get regulatory approvals. Also, another suggestion would be to see that whenever you are innovating a device and bringing it to a scalable production, uh, it has to cater to the market needs, and it has to also align with the adoption barriers as well as the economies of scale. Yeah.
Yeah, indeed. You have the opportunity to work closely MedTech companies, different technologies, different approaches. What do you see from your perspective as a manufacturing company, trends for, let's say, the next 5 years?
Yeah, so I being at Syrma Johari MedTech, and the company has been primarily into manufacturing lot of products into a diversified segments like critical and surgical care, diagnostics, point of care devices, patient monitoring devices. I see that when it comes to manufacturing, precision manufacturing, smart automation is the trend. A lot of processes are now being driven by data, so data-driven analytics becomes important. Also, we do see a lot of interest around AI-based processes, but that is yet to be explored and implemented. I also see that the smart automation should not be only in, be efficient around the processes, but it should also be efficient around the quality at a global scale. So those are the trends that I'm seeing a lot. That there's a lot of personalized manufacturing, lot of precision manufacturing, adoption of you know. Concepts like Kaizen, which my company implements a lot, becomes important to bring the repeatability into the quality of manufacturing. And very most important is the quality management system, because the design controls needs to be aligned with the global quality standards. So and the good manufacturing practices. So that is something that needs to be taken care of at all times. And I do see that when it comes to contract manufacturing organizations, companies like us, which are exclusively for medical devices and IVDs, these are being stringently regulated, just like any other medical device companies internally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Monali, thank you very much for being with us today and for sharing your insights.
Yeah.
And we hope to see you in the MedTech world space as well.
Yeah, it's my pleasure talking to you, and thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.